Hey everyone, it's Natalie. I'm going to show you how to edit your STL files in Limaguide and get them ready for 3D printing. So the first step is to import the STL. I'm going to press on Import STL. In this case, I'm going to choose the upper baseline and press on Open. Then I press Alignment, Extrude. I choose Create Closed Model. I select the upper baseline and I'm going to position my model according to the direction of extrusion that I want to make. I save the view and I press Next. Now I'm going to draw. This is the limit of the extrusion. We can modify this limit. I'm going to rotate the model, and now with this blue arrow I can control the amount of extrusion that I want to make, and with this green circle I can change the plane, the angulation of the plane of the base of my extrusion. I'm going to tick the box, Make Hollow, because I want to empty the model from the inside of unnecessary resin amount, and I press OK. Now the software generated for me a solid model that is ready to be printed and that is hollowed from the inside.